If you use a dash cam, you're probably happy with the way it records footage, but grabbing the files off the device or the SD card might be a bit of a pain. But that could be about to change if you opt for this, potentially the greatest dashcam upgrade yet. This is the Vava 4K UHD Dash Cam with Wi-Fi. This means you can check the footage, save it, back it up, and even share it using a mobile app. I'm Christian from Make Use Of, and this is possibly the last dashcam you'll ever need. Capable of a range of impressive frame rates, the Vava 4K UHD features Sony IMX317 sensors and a 155-degree wide-angle lens, super night vision thanks to wide dynamic range, and it records in MP4 format. The dashcam supports a maximum of 256GB TF microSD card with standard looped recording stored separately from emergency footage initiated by the device's G-sensor or remote record button. There's also a parking mode with 4 hours standby powered by the 320 mAh battery. As with any dashcam, fitting the Vava 4K UHD is a pain. You've got to route the wiring around the passenger side, under seats, through upholstery, perhaps behind panelling. Plenty of adhesive clips are provided for the windscreen, along with a plastic crowbar for persuading the cable and your car's interior to work together, shall we say. The dashcam itself and the suction mount feature a contemporary design though, with one eye on 1950s futurism. There's a definite flying saucer vibe to the camera, which connects via a magnet to the mount. The mount itself is angled, enabling easier attachment to the windscreen. The unique selling point of the dashcam isn't the 4K resolution, it's not even the handy remote recording button. Instead, it's Wi-Fi. You see, there's no display on the dashcam, so there's no temptation to check the display. Instead, the camera is accessed via an Android or iPhone app. Setting up the dashcam with the app is relatively straightforward. However, don't make my mistake and try to create an ad hoc network with a dashcam while running a VPN. That won't work. The app handles connection and setup of the camera. All in all, it takes under a minute. Everything you could need from the camera is available in the app, from footage stored in standard definition for review purposes, as well as 4K for downloading and sharing with your insurer, to journal and route data. The camera collects GPS data so you know exactly where you've been. This can help you pinpoint the location of an accident accurately, for example. Now, I've been using the Vava 4K UHD Dashcam as my main dashcam for a week. It sits quietly in my car beside the rear view mirror, largely anonymous. For comparison, I've retained my main dashcam, the Z-Edge Z3D, a dashcam limited to 180p high definition video. The Vava dashcam is quiet, there's no irritating chime when you switch the engine on or off. The video quality is clearly better, and while it misses the rear camera of my current dashcam, this is a single shortcoming. In every other way, the Vava 4K UHD dashcam is superior. In fact, it's quite easily the best dashcam I've ever used, and potentially the best we've reviewed to date on Make Use Of. Easy to use, simple to mount, and distraction free. Very important for road safety purposes. The use of a mobile app instead of a display sets this dashcam above the alternatives. In short, the Vava 4K UHD dashcam should be at the top of your list if you're planning to buy a new dashcam. Enjoy this video. Subscribe to the Make Use Of YouTube channel for tips, tricks, and more hardware reviews and giveaways like this. And Make Use Of is giving you the chance to win a Vava Wi-Fi dashcam. To enter, head to the article review and use the competition widget to enter using this special code VAVAVROOM. The winner will be notified by email, and the competition ends in around 3 weeks, so get your entries in today and good luck! And if you don't fancy your chances with the giveaway, don't worry. Vava is giving Make Use Of readers the chance to buy this $199 Vava 4K UHD dashcam for a 25% discount. That's just $152.99. Simply head to Amazon, select the Vava 4K UHD dashcam, and enter this discount code. This discount lasts until mid-March, so act fast.